5 cordless circular saws, 5 very different levels of performance. Stay until the end, because the gap between the budget model and the number 1 saw is bigger than the specifications first suggest. Starting in 5th place is the Ryobi. That does not make it a bad saw, but it is clearly the light-duty option in this comparison. Its compact size makes it easy to handle, especially when you're cutting sheet material or doing smaller jobs around the house. The 4,700 revolutions per minute speed is respectable for a saw with a 5.5-inch blade. It can cut through standard 2x lumber at 90 degrees, and features such as the spindle lock, onboard wrench storage, and optional vacuum adapter make everyday use easier. Compared with the larger saws, it also feels less intimidating for occasional users. But here is the important limitation. The smaller blade only reaches 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 3/16 inches at 45 degrees. So while it handles a straight cut through 2x lumber, it cannot complete the same material at a 45-degree angle in one pass. That becomes frustrating if bevel cuts are a regular part of your work. This is a sensible choice for basic home projects, quick repairs, and users already invested in Ryobi batteries. But if you need greater depth, stronger construction, and more useful safety features, the next saw is a noticeable step up. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. In 4th place is the Bosch. It moves up to a larger 6.5-inch blade and adds features that make it feel more like a serious job site tool. The blade left design also gives many right-handed users a clearer view of the cutting line. What stands out here is the practical safety package. You get an electric brake, overload protection, a dust blower, and an anti-snag lower guard. The aluminum base and upper guard also give it a solid, durable feel. In use, those details can matter more than a long list of flashy extras. The problem is cutting capacity. At 2 inches, it has the shallowest 90-degree cut among the 6.5-inch models in this ranking. Its 3,900 revolutions per minute speed is also well behind the DeWalt. It can still handle common work, but it offers less breathing room when the material gets thicker or the cut gets demanding. The Bosch makes sense for someone who values control, visibility, and safety over outright speed. But if deeper straight cuts are more important to you, the next model has a clear advantage. And if this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Third place goes to the Makita. On paper, its 3,700 revolutions per minute speed does not look especially impressive, but it offers the deepest 90-degree cutting capacity of all the 6.5-inch saws here, reaching 2.25 inches. That extra depth gives it an advantage when making straight cuts in thicker material. It also has a heavy gauge machined base, a rubberized grip, and a spindle lock for easier blade changes. In everyday use, it feels focused and straightforward rather than overloaded with features. Still, the slower brushed motor is something you should know about. Compared with the DeWalt, it may feel less eager during repeated or demanding cuts. It also lacks the stronger feature package found on the higher-ranked saws, so you are mainly paying for solid construction and useful cutting depth. This Makita is worth considering if you already use the LXT battery platform and want a dependable saw for general cutting. But if speed and a blade break matter more, the next model is the stronger, all-around choice. In second place is the DeWalt, and this is where the performance level rises sharply. Its 5,150 revolutions per minute motor is the fastest among the 6.5-inch saws in the comparison, giving it a more confident feel through common framing material. The magnesium shoe keeps the base strong without adding unnecessary bulk, while the rubberized grip makes the saw easier to control. You also get an electric brake, which is useful when you are making repeated cuts and do not want the blade spinning longer than necessary. Compared with the Makita and Bosch, it offers a better balance of speed, capacity, and practical features. But it still uses a brushed motor, and that is the main reason it does not take first place. Its 2 1/8 inch cutting depth is also slightly shallower than the Makita at 90 degrees. And like every model here, It is sold as a bare tool, so the battery and charger must be purchased separately. For most DIY users and many professionals, this is the safest all-around choice in the ranking. It is fast, familiar, and capable without being oversized. But for maximum capacity, a brushless motor, and a more complete job site setup, the top model goes further. Taking first place is the Milwaukee. It is the only brushless saw in this comparison, and it combines that motor with the largest blade, the highest speed, and the greatest cutting capacity. The result is a tool built for more demanding work. The 7 1/4 inch blade cuts up to 2.5 inches at 90 degrees and 1 7/8 inches at 45 degrees. You also get an electric brake, LED work light, integrated dust port, vacuum adapter, rafter hook, and magnesium construction. Compared with the other models, it feels much more complete straight out of the box. There are two things to keep in mind. It is larger than the compact 6.5 inch options, so it may be more saw than you need for occasional home repairs. More importantly, Milwaukee has discontinued this exact model, which means availability may be limited even though the tool itself ranks first for capability. This is the saw for users who care most about cutting power, capacity, and professional features. If you can still find it in good condition at a fair price, it is the strongest performer in this group. Check the links in the description to see the top-ranked saws and their current prices. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product comparisons.